So hey, what's up guys, it's me the SR back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna do unboxing and also give my first impression to this new board Rockerz 400. So with that being said, let's get started. There are some specifications on the back side of the box. If you want, you can pause right now and read it. So while taking the box into the hand, it doesn't scream premium to me, but it does have some cool graphics on it. On the right side it says Rockerz Bluetooth on-ear wireless headphones, and on the other side it says wireless music on the go, which does indicate that it have a mic. And on the sides a typical board branding on both the side, and on the top finally we gonna open it. That's yeah, of course, a manual for the headphone. Well, actually we need that manual for this one because it's wireless, but nobody will obviously. Let's take a deeper look to the wires. The one is aux cable because you can also play it wired, and it is not gold plated nor L shaped, but it's pretty much good. And the other is a power cable which is micro USB. So well, this is a headphone itself, and it's pretty much made of plastic, but the plastic is not that cheap, and well, build is also really good. Even the colors look fantastic. So as I said, the headphone is solely made up of plastic, which is not cheap nor it is too premium, but I think it is durable enough. And the head part of this headphone is covered with this foamish sponge material with a fake leather on it, but it's pretty much comfortable, not that much, but it is. And then we have this adjustable head thing, I don't know, but it is really smooth and not too much loose, not too much tight. Then it is covered with this two lights underneath which are indicators. Then we have aux port, then micro USB port, then we have volume down, volume up, then we have this middle button which is multifunction for on off, play, pause, and you can just press that for more than like 5 seconds to turn off or turn on the headphone. And as you can see, on the other side we have a noise cancellation microphone and also a inbuilt microphone for the headphone itself. The cushion on the ear cuffs are also soft, but it is more towards the harder side, but I believe because it's not used that much. So as I said, it also come with this power cable which is micro USB and definitely not quick charging. And well, I'm never gonna use this anyways. And while talking of the cables, we can definitely use that aux cable to listen audio wired, just in case if you don't have battery left. So guys, this was my unboxing and initial impressions of board Rockerz 400. And as usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And if you have any comments or queries, you can just comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.